Hi, I'm Brian King at King Law Offices, and we're talking about what's the DNA of King Law? What makes King Law what it is? And one of those is very simple, knowing our numbers. A lot of law firms just say we're here to help people, and they're constantly working, they're stressed, and we're in an industry where suicide, alcoholism is so high. A lot of times it's very basic and understanding what is the numbers that's important for King Law. And if you know those numbers, then you're going to make sure that you've got a good place to work. King Law has been built from the beginning to make sure that we are not a firm that's in debt. We've never used debt in order to finance our future. So in order to do that, we have to understand what is our weekly revenue. And then we determine what is our goals, what's our budget. We set that budget up on an annual basis so we know what and where we're going to be going. And then each week we have a way of being able to determine what that's going to be. But long before revenue, which is usually comes later, we have to understand where we're going to be. In order to do that, we have to know how many people are we reaching, how many leads do we have, and how many people can we identify out there who's made contact with us. And out of those leads, how many of those can we turn into appointments? And out of those appointments, how many of them can we convert into clients? Those are all pieces of the puzzle that's so important to us. But there's other numbers that we're looking for too. For instance, we want to know what's our Google reviews looking like? Are our clients appreciating our work? Are they giving us 5-star reviews? Are they engaging with other clients that are out there? Are they saying that this is the kind of firm that I would bring my family and friends to? There's a way to quantify that into numbers. It helps us understand what it is that we're going to have. And then, of course, we always want to know how many people do we have? How many positions do we have opening? What kind of steps and positions do we need to be hiring over the next year? Because we're always looking for right people. And to be able to do that, we have to dive into the numbers. So every week, we have a team that meets that understands and reports, because everybody has their own number that they report. And as a group, we're able to make those decisions. It's important for me to know what those numbers are. But it's also important for all of our team members to understand. So that's what we're looking for. You've got to know what numbers they are, what KPI we have, and be able to understand to be able to make right decisions moving forward.